Today is the day we have all been waiting for. I am here at the Connect conference. I will be speaking with a lot of industry leaders who will be facilitating the workshops, a lot of students, and networking throughout my day. Sneak peek. Before the conference began, hospitality management students got real insights from industry professionals. I got my name tag. We're about to get started. I'm here with my friend Nox.
I'm so excited. I just met with a couple of presenters. They were so sweet. They gave us so many good lessons, so many good advice.
I am here with Dean Gallipo. How are you liking the event so far?
I am just absolutely feeding off the energy. We are going to have a great day here at the College of Hospitality and Business, celebrating everything that makes Connection strong. Thank you for being with us.
This year, the College of Hospitality and Business hosted a day of events bringing together students, alumni, and industry professionals through panels, workshops, and career conversations, highlighting industry trends and career opportunities. I'm here with Dean Pyle. Can you tell us more about this session?
This session is paying for life. It was actually asked for by the students when we put this conference together, saying, how do I make sure that I understand how to properly use the pay that I'm getting and to properly invest for retirement, take care of my life, pay my student loans. So this is all about doing the right financial things as you move out into your career.
With Dr. Howard.
We're excited to have New England Insights Association here to talk to our students about business analytics, AI. It's going to be a great session.
For a research company, that kind of, so we'll talk about at the end of the session just some of the things that are.
This session was Intrapreneurship versus Entrepreneurship, moderated by Dr. Jeff. Speakers explained the difference between building a value inside a company and launching your own venture. I'm here with Sydney.
Hello.
It is the midpoint of the Connect conference. I will be heading to lunch in about 10 minutes to Bistro 61, and you will be going to...
I'll be going to the bridge.
If you guys are interested in that.
I'm here at Bistro 61 with Professor Macri.
Connect conference is on its way. We've got all the guests here seated, and we are about to serve them some delicious food that the students created.
That's for Griffin.
After lunch, the Alumni to Workforce panel took place, in which recent graduates reconnected and shared updates post-graduation. Dr. Frusetti and Professor Fisher taught students how to dress for success in the Career Fair Readiness Central workshop.
The top that's going to hang to the side.
The last session included a mixology course in the beverage lab. This session was certainly one of my favorites. I am heading towards the SEAM lab to check out some really cool clubs and organizations. I am making my way to the bow and presentation room. This is the last event for today. We had a workshop event for seniors to network. How did you like the event?
So great.
It was very good. It was very good in tuning people and interacting with people and not emailing or working with AI.
It's good to see a real person's face after doing online internship applications for months.
Yeah, take the opportunities when they open up to you, especially with networking. Always network, I would say that for sure.
Connect conference has been a huge success. I got to connect with a lot of faculty, staff, alumni, and students not only in the College of Hospitality Business but throughout JWU.